Dear colleagues, I'm Radislav Gandapas, President of CISSA Speakers Association and JSF board member. You know what? Professional speaker is the highest level of existence of living matter. Why? Human is on the top of evolution. To be an expert is to be on the top of personal evolution. Many of professionals, many of experts in sports, politics, business, science, gonna be speakers finally. To be the professional speakers at the highest level of existence of living matter. Happy Professional Speakers Day. С днем профессионального спикера, коллеги. Юху!